The truth inside the world's largest Python processing factory isn't always openly revealed. Follow me to explore what secrets lie within. Leave a 1 to ensure you'll watch the entire video with me.
Hello guys, how are you? What's up? I hope you are doing well. Today we are back with another video of it's related to previous video. We see the python snake meat in factory and how it produce in millions of tons, how farmers make 2.5 million dollar in single month. It is related to previous video. If you don't watch this previous video, I get link in description, and please still watch and the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Okay, let's start the video.
The truth inside the world's largest Python processing factory isn't always openly revealed. Follow me to explore what secrets lie within. Leave a 1 to ensure you'll watch the entire video with me. Do you think the largest Python meat processing factory in the world would have to be equipped with a variety of highly advanced machinery inside? Follow me, and you'll be surprised. At the Python meat processing factory, the most important requirement and prerequisite for employment is proficiency in knife skills. The Python meat processing procedure at the factory typically begins with skinning the python's body. Workers use specialized tools to carefully separate the skin from the meat. Once the skin is removed, the meat is divided into smaller portions, suitable for various uses. Finally, the meat is weighed and packaged on the spot to ensure freshness and safety for consumers. In addition to being used for meat processing, python skin is also utilized by the factory to create high-priced python leather products. The skin is placed in tanks containing cleaning and softening agents to eliminate any blemishes and imperfections. Once processed, it is cut into pieces of precise size and shape, requiring high accuracy. Skilled craftsmen use specialized tools to assemble and attach accessories such as zippers and straps. Each product undergoes thorough inspection, polishing, and finishing to ensure elegant and unique aesthetics. Python leather goods are not only symbols of luxury fashion, but also epitomize sophistication and artisanal craftsmanship, satisfying even the most discerning customers. The high cost of python leather products reflects the meticulous craftsmanship and artistry involved in their production. The Python Farm is a specially designed facility to cater to the care and nurturing of giant pythons. Constructed primarily from sturdy materials like iron and mesh, the facility ensures safety and ventilation for the animals. Each enclosure on the farm is typically allocated to a single python, mitigating conflicts and attacks among them. The design of the enclosures is optimized to provide ample space for python movement while maintaining effective control and management. Caring for pythons for meat extraction requires attention and patience, especially in providing them with food. Snakes' main diet typically consists of mice, a rich protein source crucial for their growth and health. Selecting appropriate food and ensuring its quality not only affects the python's health, but also the quality of their meat and skin. The feeding process is also a safety challenge. Caretakers can become prey if not careful. Therefore, executing the feeding procedure must be done cautiously and safely. Leave a 1 if you're brave enough to feed the pythons. The breeding process of pythons is a crucial factor in maintaining the supply for python meat processing factories. During each egg-laying cycle, a female python can lay hundreds of eggs. Snake farms typically create suitable environments to stimulate their reproductive process, including providing appropriate temperatures and humidity. After the eggs are laid, they are carefully collected and nurtured to ensure their survival and development. This process ensures that there are always enough pythons to supply the production activities at the factory. Keeping pythons as pets is becoming a popular trend among wildlife enthusiasts. Snakes are known for their unique appearance and strength, making them adorable and special companions. Snake enthusiasts often seek python breeds with beautiful colors and gentle personalities to nurture. Keeping pythons also brings joy and excitement to owners, as it fosters a special bond with the wild animal. If you're unsure about what delicious dishes to make from python meat, let me suggest a few recipes you can try at home for your family. According to expert chefs, python is best when grilled or stir-fried. Its rich and nutritious flavor, combined with delicate spices, creates an extraordinary culinary experience. By daring to try this unique dish, you'll discover a surprising and exciting new world of cuisine.
So guys, here is the video we're watching about the python snake in factory, and how farmers make millions of dollars from python snake, and it produce in a huge quantity. Environmental changing in due to this python snake. What do you think about this video? Do you eat python snake? You like python snake meat? I don't like about this snake, because this snake in haram in Islam. What do you think about this video? Please tell me in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, meet up the next